the Jamaicans have a slight edge. Great Britain in third, USA in second, and the Jamaicans are coming away here. What a run! Brilliant finish here by the Britons. It's Jamaica's gold, Great Britain's.
The fierce rivalry between Jamaica and the United States in the women's 4x100-meter relay has been one of the most thrilling battles in track and field. Both nations have traded gold medals at the World Championship since 2005. Jamaica's golden era, driven by legends like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson, has been marked by unforgettable performances and unmatched dominance at global events. While the performance at the Paris Olympics fell short of expectations, the return of Jamaica's top sprinters to their prime form could reignite their fierce rivalry with the US. With the Tokyo World Championships on the horizon, will Jamaica reclaim its 4x100-meter crown? Or will the US prove they're still the team to beat? Let's break it down and find out. The two countries developed a rivalry in the 4x100-meter relay back in the 1990s. At that time, American athletes such as Gail Devers, Gwen Torrence, Carmelita Jetta, Allyson Felix, and Sha'Carri Richardson proved that they could carry a baton for the United States. Not to forget, since the 2005 Helsinki World Championship, only Jamaica and the United States have won the women's 4x100-meter relay at that level. Jamaica claimed victory at the 2009 Berlin, 2013 Moscow, 2015 Beijing, and 2019 Doha World Championships, while the United States won at the 2005 Helsinki, 2007 Osaka, 2011 Daegu, 2017 London, 2022 Eugene, and 2023 Budapest World Championships. However, recently, this rival has only gotten stronger, with Jamaica finding itself on the losing side. Since claiming Olympic gold at the 2020 Tokyo World Championship, the nation has yet to return to the top of the podium. Some might argue that it is because of their lack of practice, ineffective relationships with teammates, or even their federation. The breakdown in Jamaica's women's 4x100-meter relay team became evident at the Paris Olympics when the big three Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shericka Jackson, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce were all not at their best. The disappointing performance led to them relying on inexperienced sprinters including Alana Reid, Shashalee Forbes, Kemba Nelson, and Tina Clayton to carry the stick for the nation. Even with all the effort, the island failed to earn a medal as the team finished fifth with 42.29 seconds. This was the worst finish Jamaica had since the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics. The US, on the other hand, has enjoyed a fair amount of wins compared to Jamaica. In a surprising turn of events, Mechelle Lewis Freeman, the head coach of the U.S. women's relay team, was released from her position after nearly a decade of leading the team to success. With this change, the Jamaican women's team is ready to make a powerful comeback. If they return to their top form, they could challenge the United States, a team that has seen strong performances over the past years. The race for the 4x100-meter relay crown is far from over, and the energy between Jamaica and the United States is only building. While Jamaica has faced many setbacks, its top sprinters are gearing up for a powerful comeback. The US team isn't backing down either, and with so much talent on both sides, this rivalry is set to get even more intense. Whatever happens next, we're in for one thrilling ride. So, what's your take on this rivalry? Can Jamaica really make a strong comeback and reclaim the 4x100-meter relay title? Or is the US team still the one to beat? Who do you think has the edge heading into the Tokyo World Championships? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation going. Also, check out our video about the chances of Jamaican men returning to their 4x100-meter relay glory in 2025. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on all things sprinting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.